guys, welcome back. Me and Miles have just been brought to a new spot by Mario from Broken RC. So that's what we got, Miles.
All this to play with.
All this to play with. Just behind us there, we got Mario and Glyn there, just getting their trucks ready to break. So we are gonna send everything today. We got some back there, look mega. I'm loving the look at that because you go into the grass. So what are you gonna use first, Miles?
I don't know, but we're gonna break something today.
Oh my goodness, right. Get something fired up, mate. We've got Glyn and his 12S Walker. What are you gonna send today, Glyn?
Victoria success, traxxas sledge success, and my MT10.
MT10, nice new traxxas sledge that's going to go home in a bin bag. But what are damages though? Damages are what?
Potential upgrades.
Potential upgrades. There's going to be some upgrades today, guys. What's Mario got? Broken RC, any broken ones yet, man?
We've had to fix the xmaxx to get it up and running here today, so we stole the C-hub off the XRT. You've seen the new traxxas slash, we've got the new mini traxxas UDR.
Epic. That must be the first one in the country.
First one in the world.
First one in the world. xmaxx, LMT, Senton, Big Rock, another xmaxx. Check out our new stickers, guys, and merch is all over them. MT10, go for it, Miles. Miles is nearly running himself over there. So Miles is going to hit this big vert bit flat out. Who knows what's going to happen? To the moon!
Full send.
Miles just loaded up the battery after it exited the chat. What's the plan for this one, Miles?
Hit that flat out.
Hit that flat out. Up there. Nice. I think we got our first victim. Miles, talk us through it. What happened?
I hit that flat out, and I didn't air control.
Oh
and
dear.
Well, I'm missing two body clips.
Open it up, let's have a look at the carnage. First time we've broken an MT10. Nightmare. Oh, Milesy boy.
That's not good.
It's only an arm though, that's cool, we can sort that. Unplug the battery, next victim, Miles.
Yeah.
Metal rod ends on the centre.
They should last more than one jump now. So, MT10's back in the pits. Broken the arm, look guys. That's easy, easy fix. So we got some more toys. Mario's just going to break his LMT now. World's smartest RC monster truck. Mating with an MT10 at the moment. Alright guys, we got our second victim. Try not to laugh too much, but it's a wheel.
Snap the metal rod this time, not the plastic rod.
Think so.
And ripped out the end axle on the.
Losi tough, man, Losi tough. So, what are you gonna do, man?
Finish it!
Are you actually gonna finish it?
Finish it!
I'll finish it. There you go. It's alive! Send it, man. Finish it! Yeah, double trouble now, guys. The big boys are out to play. Mario's going for a double backflip, guys. Here he goes.
Bit of a problem, guys.
What's the problem?
Well,
Send it, go on. Miles, that does not sound healthy. So that marks what? That's victim number 5 or 6, isn't it? What can we do with that, Glenn? So what's happened there, Miles?
no idea.
Out. Give it a little bit on the thought, mate. What's going on with that? Some gear's not happy somewhere, mate. So as Glyn says, what are we going to do with it?
Potential upgrade.
Potential upgrade. Love it. Okay, here he comes, guys. Send over the fence. There it is. Alright, so we've got another breakage. Oh god, that's really scary. All you can do is cars flying around. So we've broken another xmaxx, haven't we? Oh, hang on. Glyn's getting busy. Yeah, out the way, Glyn. So
It's not the same, and it sounds like the pinion. Either that or the rear dip. I know it's more the pinion because when you rev it.
I think you should finish it. So after Mario's gear issues, he's just going to finish it. Oh, love it. Poor old thing, I haven't even got... Oh, she hasn't even got the legs to get up there, love it. Victim number 7. Arrma tough, baby. That's another upgrade.
Cruising down the BMX track, the crowd's wild, we'll never look back. Across the sand and through the mud, racing heartbeats like a flood. Drones soaring high above, capturing the moments we love. Every jump's a new chance taken, humming fierce, never shaken. Like alarms and insane jumps, feel the rush, hear the thumps, wheels all spinning, engines roaring, never stop, always soaring. From boats to drones in the air, energy is every bear. Patrol trucks and monster might, we are the day, we are the night. High above the asphalt trees, gather's pull, reality screams, but we fly away.
Guys, that looks like we've broken every single car. What
Oh,
did
the
you break?
traxxas didn't break.
Traxxas tough, baby.
Yeah.
Mini LMT didn't break. However, big rock gears chewed. MT10 arm snapped.
It's gone. I've broken a hub on my xmaxx.
I've done
That's all I
the
used, actually.
Pinion on the xmaxx, the battery holders on the xmaxx. I've destroyed the Centon shock tower. The mini clone outcast is just trashed.
That is finished now, isn't it?
And I lost a wheel nut on the new one in the world Traxxas UDR Mini.
Let's not forget what happened to your LMT.
Oh, the LMT's in bits too. The reacts were snapped on the LMT.
So basically, we've decided we're going to hit sand dunes and grass because it's nice and soft, don't we? Because all this concrete stuff, guys, eats the cars. Yes, absolutely. Right, until next time.
Energy fills everywhere. Petrol trucks and monster might. We end the day, we open it. So you're up for a ride. Let's chase the fear away. In this world of metal might, we'll dominate the play. Then we stomp at every roar. We'll keep coming back for more. On mega raps, we stake our claim in this high-speed, reckless game.